kindergarten 2 pupils, welcome to our class. So this is our week 12. So how are you? How's your vacation? Are you happy? Will you go somewhere? Are you having fun during the holidays? Yeah? Okay, very good. Now, today we are going to start with our lesson with our English subject. Okay, so are you ready? Yes? Alright, so let's start with our English. So our topic today is about this very colorful fish. And can you see that? Okay, look at if you're going to see a fish like this. Yeah, especially when you're swimming in the beach and you see such fish, what can you say about the fish? Yeah, it's very colorful. What else? What else? What do you notice with the fish? Look at his scales. Do you know what's a scale? Yeah? Alright, so this part here, we call this one scales, okay? These are the scales of the fish. How about this one? Do you know what part of this one? Do you know this one? This is the... Good, that's the tail. Yeah, because fish don't have legs, but they have tail. Because they don't need legs in the water, they need their tail for them to swim. Very good. And do you know this one? What's this? This is their good. Yeah, it's their fins. Yeah, it's like their hand. But actually, they're going to use that one also in moving in the water like that. So if they don't have that one, it'd be very hard for them to swim very fast. Yeah. How about this part here? Look at this one. What's this part here? This is the... Yes, it's the mouth of the fish. Ah, you're very good. Again, what do you call this part here? This is the scales. How about this one? Tail. How about this one? Fins. How about this one? Mouth. Very good. So again, let's go back. Okay, if you can see this kind of fish in the water when you're swimming in the beach, what can you say? This fish is really, really beautiful. Yeah, it's very beautiful, and I just want to catch that fish and put it in the aquarium. Yeah, because it's really nice. And as you can see with the scales, he has some shiny scales. It's glittery. He's really nice. It's like a magic fish, but actually he is called the rainbow fish because it's really, really, really really colorful. Yeah, that's why, right? Okay, so we are going to know the story about this fish. Actually, he knows that he is really beautiful. Yeah, it's good that you know that you're beautiful, but sometimes you have to know also how to be humble, okay? But this fish, I think, even if it's very beautiful, but he has a problem. He's a sad fish. Yeah, do you want to know why he is sad? Yeah? Okay, yes. We are going to know why this fish is very sad because of him also. He has done something wrong also with the other fish that makes him sad. So let's see what happened to the story. Okay? Are you ready? Alright, so are you ready? So this one, it's like this is a book, and then we are going to listen to the story about the rainbow fish. Okay, so I want you to listen to the story.
The Rainbow Fish by Marcus Pfister. A long way out in the deep blue sea there lived a fish, not just an ordinary fish, but the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. His scales were every shade of blue and green and purple, with sparkling silver scales among them. The other fish were amazed at his beauty. They called him Rainbow Fish. "Come on, Rainbow Fish," they would call. "Come and play with us." But the Rainbow Fish would just glide past, proud and silent, letting his scales shimmer. One day, a little blue fish followed after him. "Rainbow Fish," he called, "wait for me. Please give me one of your shiny scales. They are so wonderful, and you have so many." "You want me to give you one of my special scales? Who do you think you are?" cried the Rainbow Fish. "Get away from me." Shocked, the little blue fish swam away. He was so upset, he told all his friends what had happened. From then on, no one would have anything to do with the Rainbow Fish. They turned away when he swam by. What good were the dazzling, shimmering scales with no one to admire them? Now he was the loneliest fish in the entire ocean. One day he poured out his troubles to the starfish. "I really am beautiful. Why doesn't anybody like me?" "I can't answer that for you," said the starfish. "But if you go beyond the coral reef to a deep cave, you will find the wise octopus. Maybe she can help you." The Rainbow Fish found the cave. It was very dark inside, and he couldn't see anything. Then suddenly, two eyes caught him in the glare, and the octopus emerged from the darkness. "I have been waiting for you," said the octopus with a deep voice. "The waves have told me your story. This is my advice. Give a glittering scale to each of the other fish. You will no longer be the most beautiful fish in the sea, but you will discover how to be happy." "I can't," the Rainbow Fish started to say, but the octopus had already disappeared into a dark cloud of ink. "Give away my scales? My beautiful shining scales? Never. How could I ever be happy without them?" Suddenly he felt the light touch of the fin. The little blue fish was back. "Rainbow Fish, please, don't be angry. I just want one little scale." The Rainbow Fish wavered. "Only one very, very small..."
Okay, wait a minute. So again, did you know now why the fish, this rainbow fish is really sad? What makes him sad? Because he is too, he's too proud of himself. And he don't like to share. And he is not so nice with other creatures, the fish, the other, all the creatures there, because he thinks that he's the most beautiful. So he don't want to make friends with the other fish, and he don't like to share because it's his scale, and if it will be gone, he will not be the most beautiful fish in the ocean. That's why he's not giving. But the octopus said, what did the octopus say? That you have to share, because when you share, that will be the time that you will become happy. Very good. So let's see what will happen. This time the bluefish go to him again. The bluefish before did not talk to him anymore because he said, "Go away." He said like that. But this time the bluefish go to him, and then he asked again nicely, "Can you share just one tiny, shiny, glittery scale?" And then he was thinking, and he is really thinking hard, if he is going to give one little tiny, shiny, glittery scale. Okay? Do you understand the story? Are you following? Yes, very good. So let's continue.
"More shimmering scale," he thought. well, maybe I wouldn't miss just one. Carefully the rainbow fish pulled out the smallest scale and gave it to the little fish. Thank you very much, the little blue fish bubbled playfully as he tucked the shiny scale in among his blue ones. A rather peculiar feeling came over the rainbow fish. For a long time he watched little blue fish swim back and forth with his new scale glittering in the water. The little blue fish whizzed through the ocean with his scale flashing, so it didn't take long before the rainbow fish was surrounded by the other fish. Everyone wanted a glittering scale. The rainbow fish shared his scales left and right, and the more he gave away, the more delighted he became. When the water around him filled with glimmering scales, he at last felt at home among the other fish.
So what happened here? So see, the blue fish has one shiny scale, and then the other fish go to him and they ask, can you please share also one? Can you please give me one also? So when he shared his glittery shiny scales, okay, he felt so happy. So once he share, and then he share another, all the fishes has one glittery scale. And so when he saw that all of them are having one, he felt that he belonged to the group, and now he feel happy because the other fish are going to him, and then they make friends with him because he is very nice and sharing it's like his treasure. Okay, he is sharing it to the other fish. Okay, let's continue.
Finally, the rainbow fish had only one shining scale left. His most prized possessions had been given away, yet he was very happy. Come on, rainbow fish, they called. Come and play with us. Here I come, said the rainbow fish, and happy as a splash, he swam off to join his friends. Press the button below to subscribe.
Okay, wow, that is really nice, right? Do you like the story about rainbow fish? Yeah, okay, this the time that he shared his scales, he became very happy. Yes, he's happy because he is sharing with his other friends. Is it nice to share and to have a lot of friends also? Is it nice? Yes, of course, because if you are going to have a lot of friends, you can have a lot of you have friends you can play with, share with some toys or food. Okay, and it's nice that you will see everyone, you are all the same, right? And it's not nice sometimes if there are some kids also, they will say that let's not friends with him, I will not be your friend anymore. It's not nice because it will make your friend very sad. Okay, so now since we already know the story about rainbow fish, okay, we are going to answer our worksheet. Okay, so I want you to get your worksheet. Okay, so I want you to get your worksheet in English. Okay, so this one, okay, rainbow fish. Okay, so in English. So first, what we do, we are going to answer the one at the bottom. Okay, so we're going to label the rainbow fish here. So what you do, you're going to cut this area here. These are the different parts of the fish. Okay, so we have the mouth, the fin, the scales, and the tail. So you are going to cut this one and paste it to the correct part of the fish. Okay? Okay, so did you get that one? Alright, so once you're done, you're going to place it here. We are going to do, it's like a project here. We're going to make our own rainbow fish. Okay, first, you have to draw, get your pencil. Okay, so, but before that one, don't forget to write your name in here, okay? So, you're going to draw the face of the fish first, okay? So, you're going to make a curved line here, a curved line over here, okay? So after that one, after you put a curved line here, so we have the face already of the fish, and you make a drawing here also, here a line here on near the mouth of the fish, okay, so that the fish will have lips. Okay, so you make the lips also here of the fish. So once you're done, I want you to get your blue crayon. Okay, what's the color again? It's color blue. So if you have your blue crayon, you are going to color the tail, okay, the fins here up and down, and also the face of the fish, but do not color the eyes and the lips of the fish. Okay? Are you following, Miss Chen? Yeah? Okay, good. Once you're done, I want you to get some pieces of colored paper. Okay, so I'll show you. Alright, so actually, all the children use already the colored paper that I cut. So actually, you're going to make like this one. Can you see this one? Here, I don't know if you can see it like that. Okay, so this one is the glittery scale that we have. It's actually, I just found this one here in the hub, and then I cut it like this. And also we cut also some colored paper of blue, purple, like that. So I'll show you. Okay, here are some finished projects of the children here, the one that we did here in the hub together. So it looks like this one. Okay, so we cut the paper into pieces, and then once you started, so see, you are going to color the tail, the fins, and the face, but do not color the eyes and also the lips, because the lips here you're going to color it with yellow. Okay, and then in here, what we did, we started at the tail. So once you paste the scales, you're going to start here at the very end of the tail of the fish, and then just overlap that one, just make a line, then next. Okay, it's really fun. So you are going to get the glue, okay, with the help of your mom or your dad, and then you're going to paste it one by one, and then next layer, and it's up to you how you're going to do it. Okay, so the finished product of some children here, just like this one. Okay, but remember, again, start at the tail. Do not start here on top, because it will be hard for you to put the other scales on top. Okay, because it will be like this one. It interlopes here like that. So this one, okay, and another one. Okay, and another one here. Okay, and another one here. See that? So it's up to you how you're going to do it. Okay, so I want you to make your own rainbow fish. Okay, start here at the tail of the fish. So once you're done, you put that inside your portfolio. So I hope that is clear.